Y-Y-Y-Yo! 3 dinos sleeping, snore, snore, snore. Mila, Mateo, Miko cycled by once more. Let's go riding, ding, 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 through the jungle, spin, spin, spin. But the dinos woke up, opening their eyes. Roar! So loud it shook the skies. The children gasped, oh no, oh no! Pedal faster, time to go. Ride fast, don't delay. The dinos are chasing, run away. Ride fast, quick as can be. Can we escape? Let's wait and see. First dino runs and gives a tap. Mila turns pink, just like a rap. She looks at herself and starts to squeal. I'm candy pink, this feels unreal. Second dino comes with a hop and a shoe. Touches Mateo, now he's blue. He shouts,